Why is it that the number of autistic kids are growing? Autism, the instance of autism is on an high. The reason for that, once again, is the changed lifestyle. In today's era, those young kids, when they take birth, when they are with their families, they are expecting far more valuable time from their families at the very young and at the very tender age, where they are to learn everything from their family themselves. But due to the over busyness nowadays of parents, with both the parents working, the families in majority cases being nuclear families, the parents of the kids are often working in different geographical regions which are far away from their own home. So all those multiple things which have changed in the past few years, due to those things, we are now at a situation where both the parents are working, the kid is there with the mobile, or the kid is there with the television, the kid is watching cartoons all the time, or anything of his or her choice. So in sabhi कारणों से what has happened is that the time which earlier the parents, the grandparents and everyone used to be giving to those kids, the time is not being given to the kids. And as a result of that, the reflex learning age of the children. Now, what is the reflex learning age? The age below 4.5 years for a child, where the child is to learn from the parents, the grandparents, the environment around him. You very well can realize that a child who has taken birth in Punjabi family will always be speaking Punjabi. A child who has taken birth in Gujarati family will always be speaking Gujarati at the very young age. And similarly, a child who has taken birth in English speaking family will be speaking English. For learning that mother tongue, for being able to be conversant in that mother tongue, no special training is required for the child. So that's why whenever we talk about the young age, the interaction at that young age with the parents, with the grandparents, with brother, sister, cousins, now that interaction at the very young age is very important, because that forms the base of the coordination between the conscious and the subconscious mind, and that is where the actual language development takes place. However, once that age goes away, now after that age going away, it becomes tougher for anyone to train that child to be using words. Because when we say language, if a child once starts interacting through the sign language, now once the child develops a habit that sign language is the better way of communicating, it becomes tougher then for the child to realize that no, words will make my life easier. And as a result of that, special techniques have to be used, which we use here in AVA. And at times some herbs have to be used so that the child is positive enough, is willing enough to start using those words, and then gradually the life of the child, it becomes easier.
Autism is a temporary phase in the life of a child if treated timely.
Patient name, Parth, age 3 years, disease, autism. Chief complaints, speech delay, hyperactivity, irritative behavior, less interaction, less understanding. The parents of the child consulted Dr. Navdeep Sharma on April 2023 at 1:09 p.m. and felt the scope of treatment to work for the child. He did not respond clearly and showed irritative behavior most of the times.
करो
आ जाएगा वो। कलर करो, वेरी गुड पार्ट, कलर करो। नो, इस हैंड से कर, वेरी गुड, इसके अंदर रख दो, वेरी गुड। पापा का हैंड, दीदी का हैंड करो, हैंड हैंड चलो वेरी गुड खाओ वेरी गुड हेलो पेरेंट्स पार्थ हेलो करो हेलो करो ये पार्थ है मेरा बेटा 4 साल का होने वाला है लास्ट ईयर जुलाई में हम डॉक्टर नवदीप शर्मा सर के यहाँ पहुंचे थे हमें एक सर ने मेरे बताया था सर के बारे में हमने सोचा भी नहीं था कि आज 9 महीने में पार्थ मम्मा पापा हमसे बोलेगा इतनी जल्दी हम तो मतलब बड़ा एक माँ पेरेंट्स के लिए कहता है कि कब हम मम्मा पापा सुनेंगे पार्थ के मुंह से आज पार्थ मम्मा पापा और विद सेंस सब कुछ बोलता है भगवान की कृपा से और सर की मेडिसिन और सर के गाइडेंस से आज 9 महीने में पार्थ एक नियर टू नॉर्मल लाइफ जी रहा है और स्कूल में भी पार्थ प्ले ग्रुप में था अभी जस्ट 15 दिन पहले ही स्कूल में मैम ने बोला कि पार्थ को हम नर्सरी में भेजेंगे और जो सर ने जो लाइफ में हमारी खुशियां दी हैं बहुत एक पेरेंट्स के लिए इससे ज़्यादा और क्या हो सकता है कि उसका बच्चा इतनी जल्दी और इतना अच्छा इम्प्रूवमेंट हो जाए एक पेरेंट्स के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है थैंक यू सर थैंक यू वेरी मच हमारी लाइफ में इतनी बड़ी खुशियां देने के लिए थैंक यू एंडी निरोगम
Call now to connect with world's senior most Ayurvedic healer, Dr. Navdeep Sharma, and gift your child